Anar malakan yam kana diala content barwa ni lem gwasme kan Nuer online TV channel. Bana jowan yam gwasme bana je link ku nasir kana wulang. Bu content kon inshallah bana ka link hel. Take organization michi rajen wo e kan shi ka kwaki kan kare alaka kan kwaka tone kan ka kwak to dong de log netin kon ta kan nasir kan wulang. Netin kon tila na la kan kadok. Anda mandu ni shang kwa nyamal ya nong roi no gwasme gori jen wo bana jome bana jilin kel ko bo badan in charge nong ka jen bi kon mandan en chola la tre weekend ken wulang bana jilin kel an walle e shanga waro ka pa badak ron kina dangro di jen dangro di diet bana ta dan len ngaro din ka je bana keling ka jen do pe men waraga yen ya me cha gor dio je kon di ala ling no me cha gor kuar ndanen me pa kwa nyikin me yadi ano kene gor keno de netin kone la kwar wini de ke jien no de kan wore we kanaser de gore we kanaser la kwar pa yam dam wel dit ajen mo te ci kan wo kanaser ajene nene ajene ba ka watch ka position tin kone tegatin alo she can be tela kwar raina mishit kana mo de kon lar no di she chuang shina shi ga de force ne ga do be na ne shi kim ya di mission war she ga nak no rai wi akana ser kan wala no china chi ko ren bar mene ditin kon la kwar ko tel rami pelle che mandara ngai kon dung me don kir ma yadi arami mo me la te ke de kolar no don la chere kene de kon la jikko ar dere go bater mi chere ke pide ka tan ne kon la nuwari ajen menen jena tama use ne tin kontin la kwarin te kwany kwar right kon go kwide me ajen kwere da ne cha kwanye dr machar na james galwale che warga e dan che kulo gorno jin stereo blaro ku je demand and go de quarto de grodi report mo ti ka report re weekend sir e ba ka watch ken yam de kon ngai no kenetin kon tin chalke en go kwar ne jike ano ken mitike teke ke teke ne ti chiliu ano che hudo mo che jeti ka ta da na dong de ran de ku ngai ge no ne to ka tin wal chicken tin. So mishit kana many, you know, charoi che gor ka ta dan en chala keja. Kajen kwijo ada me, melin kone me, wuda many, murai kon ku kwide men go, ijen aramicha kwanye kir me yadi, doba dana kwanye keja, bana je dil ngai gwazo me, chaja kwanye lora bang, ano kwanye keja ko jen be kume, dunga espela ayo kene nuwari be kedek, jen ta dana kwany keje termur dien ma kwany keje me de lar no kwany keje kwije mi jowa dan cha kul no ngwase me benyo ko munwa ga yekel ban ma dana cha lat gwazo ban jelin ko gor kono bu kono to ban ka ngai wude me menen kontur de men jen ram kel kanetin kontin dio je cherken ka kwar again a core organization ka kan ciga right ka queen nasir kana wulang lekan ka organization actual ke international rescue committee ala IRC akene nene akene chicken kwak chicken keto they say they are providing health care, nutrition, protection and cash assistance to more than 50,000 people displaced in Nasir and Wulang counties of Upper Nile. Ajane lokane ri choke 50,000 kana lokane ka yo ka lokane ka kwa kana jalare ne ngo ken me chikan lane ken yam ken nene ken lokane tin kon tin chuch ne re kon ya dek kin ma yadi ne ri choke kin jandang dit of course rank ne me cha daga awuda raje ajen ramdan la deputy director of programming jala cosmos ayela ajene cha mobile health team cha jere aleka michi wona ka remote areas woken ka yo ka jel kan ka ka kwan ti bikin ko community kon tin chuch no ba je nyaka ya kele mnana che gor gwase me ko biya ko te me murung gor konde konin koni ken ka gode kon ka ngai eno ko muni. Of course the reality gor ken o bokon ka linga gwa ka do bode kon ka linga je ko ti kon ke all the information in place bokon men la tok bokon ala ko bne dial be ko te ne ke je ena me to kwale kwich eno dong mi ke kwakti ken ke to tigana kula kam nga yana kam kwarda na tere wich kana sir wal ku kana goro biken ke reale ka baga kula nan so bana je nen gwado mene okay leng ne je misianen gwase me agenda na sha gore ken akene nene nama kwaila gor radio miraya ta dan tikana gor ke je akene the International Rescue Committee said it is providing healthcare, nutrition, protection and cash assistance to more than 50,000 displaced people in Nasser and Ulang counties of Upper Nile State. Deputy Director of Programming Cosmos Ayela say mobile teams are reaching remote areas while cash transfer are helping families buy food and other essentials. He said the need remains high with many people lacking clean water, food and shelters, and some sleeping in the open under harsh conditions. So Jolin Konamagwase me look down Ikeneto. Ayela said prolonged conflict and flooding have deepened the crisis, leaving communities without means to rebuild their livelihood. He urged humanitarian partners, the government and conflict parties to work toward peace and invest in sustainable solutions. The money is not enough, but we have to do this, he said. Every little we put in will save a child life, save a woman from not feeding her children, and save people from sleeping under trees in a state of shelter. Jolin kon was American Chica Lucky Kenetu. No, I do know can I men queer can issue a bunten kon down there chupten. Million kon magwase memen cha go Ramadan la deputy director ki kwere rawde. So can I see a lucky Kenetu ke lucky chup, but cook on the Tijan one look shubedi. Kana telenate ka nasser ka telenate ka wala. So that should be the question right now. Ko kone kon landwari. Ko Michigan gorna me mugoro de ling ano kata dan chikana gorke je. Ano look che chup kanga. Ajene shi akula nen alalat ka pressure. Lo mulu kon ja kama na chalat gwasa me Jimis Galwaleo mendan rejection letter shi anen. Gorga jeno ba kulu woni wo shi na tika lo jo ka nasser gorka ne de kon la kwar dan tere weekend nasser. That was the reason. So tell a quack chalat and go chup, thin and winemy, and on a do badan and chalat keja, guasame, go take a nady sheer gag already. Okay, nady she gag guasame, bakel beja quen. So chalat one Rami chalke brigade care to unrest, and obey or obey Nuer Yakel. A general response to the false claim by International Rescue Committee. RRC office in Ulang County. La Jenwood Mo Jalar Mo. Ajeni Ulang County is hereby denouncing the claim of the International Rescue Committee that said it had 50,000 people of IDPs with nutrition, LD and cash service in Ulang and Nasser counties. First of all, IRC has no presence in both Nasser and Ulang counties. Secondly, Nasser and Ulang counties are in need of such aid because we have been affected by the recent conflict in Sobat corridor. However, there's no need for humanitarian partner to claim assistance that did not reach our communities. We condemn the above claim by RC because it didn't happen and it is against the humanitarian principle. I urge the rest of humanitarian NGOs partner to respect the humanitarian principle in order to serve our people with honesty and dignity which is deserved by all vulnerable people of our country, South Sudan. So jo chalat guasame me ramraje wa e brigadier Ker Tuan Reis no che jom shirme che jala de jenman chalat ajene akach ano tele ne di chalok re weekend asr kata dan chalat keje ajene point de IRC me International Rescue Committee organization I mean kene tel chak telejen kan nasir kan wala ado bi da na dar ka wala ka jamane kene man cha gor gwada me ka radio maraya kene che chong kene ya kach kene wuda me che laren wo te ko long top kene chi ka 50,000 people ji kan ka lok kene do mi ma cham kene yo ga je shi o te ka mi shi kan la they have done nothing ka jo dan cha lat gwasne anda mando ne chang pos nya kan wala shang ka waro ka pai badda ka ron kin dang ro jan dang ro de ajen jo dan gore de nyoy kelan ban nyoy je kala redian nyoka je kene ko ken ba darama an ga te mal bye bye